Today I will show you how to make Vowel and Consonant Identifier in C form application. First, create project. Choose .NET Framework. Design your form. Add one button and two text box. Design your form to your likings. After designing, double-click your button and paste this very simple code. Then you are done. Just like that. It is so easy. So if this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing and leave a like, so others can discover my channel, and we can help more students. Thank you guys. Until next time. Bye.